In this video, we'll guide you through using Gmail and Google Calendar via the web to help you make the most out of your student email account. Start by using your preferred web browser and navigating to gmail.miami.edu. To log in, enter your login ID and password, then select Sign In. Follow the prompts to authenticate with Microsoft Authenticator. Within your Gmail inbox, you can view your emails, use the sidebar to navigate to different folders, and search to find specific emails. To read an email, select it from your inbox. You can reply to or forward your emails using the buttons at the top. To send an email, select the Compose button. Enter the recipient's email address, a subject, and your message. When you're ready, select Send. You can organize your inbox by creating and applying labels to your emails. Select an email, then use the Label button to select an existing category or create a new one. The Archive button declutters your inbox, and you're able to access archived emails in the All Mail section. Once you delete an email, it's moved to the trash section and permanently deleted after 30 days. To access your calendar, select the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and choose Calendar. Your calendar opens in a new tab, and you have options to view your schedule by day, week, or month. To schedule your appointments and meetings, create an event by selecting a date and time on your calendar. Enter specific details about the event, such as adding a location and guests, and setting recurrences or reminders. When ready, select Save and Send. Sync your Gmail and Calendar with your mobile devices to stay connected on the go. Download the Gmail and Google Calendar apps from your App Store. For additional support, please visit our website or contact the Student Technology Help Desk.